Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you remove your Roblox pin if you forgot it. So first of all, you have to open up your Roblox application and then log into your account. Now, you simply have to go to the menu and then scroll down towards the end and click on the option that says help and safety. Now, click on help. On the help section, you very simply have to search for pin. Then again scroll down and click on I forgot the pin. So now click on contact form. So now first of all you have to log into your account. So once you have logged in, you simply have to first of all enter your username, your first name, your email address, then select the device that you're using. So I'll simply select Android phone. Then you have to enter your reasons. So you simply have to choose account hacked or can't log in. Then you have to enter a description of your issue. So you can very simply add that I have lost access to my account and I want to retain it. So please help Team Roblox. Then you very simply have to click on continue. By doing this, you can very easily solve this issue. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.